Hi people, welcome to today's episode of Naija Food Tube. I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my tasty my bean cake. My is a bean-based meal that is highly customizable to your pockets, budget-wise, and to your taste. You may choose to jive it up with shrimps, fish, sausage, minced meat, egg, and so on. To prepare this meal, we'll need some washed and peeled brown bean. You can check our tutorial on how to peel bean for and akara. Alright, we'll need some crayfish, some corned beef or minced meat, fish, some hard-boiled egg, vegetable oil, onions, shombo, that's red chili, salt, seasoning cube. Here I have my already blended, washed and peeled bean. Before blending, I added my red chili and onion. I'll mix it thoroughly to avoid lumps. At this point, I'll add my fish stock. I got this fish stock from the boiled fish I'm going to be using later. I'll continue mixing till I add all my stock. For this quantity of beans I'm using, which is about 1 kilogram, I'm using about 20 to 30 centiliters of fish stock. To continue, I'll add my seasoning cube, I'll add some salt, and continue mixing. You can taste for salt to determine if it's tasty enough. Next, I'll add my blended crayfish, and mix thoroughly. I'll add some vegetable oil and keep mixing. At this point, I'll add part of my corned beef, or if you're using minced meat, just add some now, you will add the rest later. Continue mixing. Now to my pot. I'll add about 2.5 cups of water. I'll cover and allow to boil. Back to my preparation. I'll loosen the corned beef as to allow me portion it properly. Now, into my greased pan, I'll scoop some of my bean mix. I'll add some corned beef, my sliced boiled egg, and some of the boiled fish. I'll repeat the process all through. You may choose to bake. In case you choose to bake, do not cover. I'll carefully place my moi moi cups into my boiled water and cover. Cover and allow to cook on medium heat for 30 minutes. I'm using an extra pot to cook because the first pot couldn't contain the quantity of moi moi I'm making. Our tasty moi moi is ready. Moi moi can be eaten alone or as a side dish with pap, gari, agidi, bread or rice. I hope you try this recipe. Leave a comment below on the ingredients you customize your moi moi with. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and kindly press the subscribe button with the notification bell in order to see more videos like this. See you next time. Bye for now.